The Competition Commission is in the Constitutional Court in pursuit of justice in a long-running legal battle with the banks. The body's Divisional Manager for Cartels, Makgale Mohlala, says the Commission remains resolute in exercising its authority to prosecute banking practices that may be harming South Africa's economy. At the heart of the case are allegations that several local banks colluded with international institutions to manipulate the rand-dollar exchange rate. But the banks are pushing back, arguing in the Constitutional Court that the Commission lacks sufficient evidence. This legal standoff has been unfolding since 2017, and it's far from over.
So the competition authorities in South Africa are the only authority to prosecute such conduct. And if you say they don't have jurisdiction, then it means absolutely no one will then prosecute these banks for manipulating the rand, which then means that the rand can be manipulated by anyone without anyone intervening and prosecuting for that. That's why it's so important. But most importantly, it's so important for us because it talks to the jurisdiction, the power of the authority to prosecute international cartels. If this stands that we don't have jurisdiction, anyone can collude on anything that affects the South African economy, and nobody will be able to do anything because the authority that is responsible to stop such kind of behavior would have been ruled that it doesn't have the powers. So we are strongly opposed to that, and we think that with this case, it should be made clear that we have the authority to prosecute behavior that affects the South African economy, or firms that affect the South African economy and its consumers.